Good day, grade 8 learners. I'm Kyla Colleen Esther Bachaco, and you can call me Ma'am Colleen. And I will be your English teacher today. So today, we will discuss and learn about opinion marking signals, including their meaning and the different types of opinion marking signals. But before we begin our discussion, let's review our lesson objectives to guide us throughout the entire lesson. So let's start by knowing what an opinion is. So an opinion is something a person feels, thinks, or believes. It is not proven to be true, unlike a fact. Opinion can vary from one person to another because they are based on personal thoughts, feelings, and preferences. For example, saying chocolate is the best flavor is an opinion because not everyone may agree. Opinion cannot be measured or proven, which make them different from fact. So next, we will proceed understanding what opinion marking signals are and the benefits of using them when expressing an opinion. So opinion marking signals are the words or phrases that show a person's feelings, emotions, or attitude about something. They help readers or listeners identify that the statement is an opinion and not a fact. So this signal acts as a clause that tells us someone is expressing what they think or believe. Commonly, they appear at the beginning of a sentence to make it easier to recognize that the statement that follows is based on personal belief rather than the proven truth. So opinion marking signals have a different type. The first type is expressing personal opinion. So expressing personal opinion means sharing what you think, feel, or believe about a topic. It is your own point of view and it does not need to be proven true because it's based on your personal thought and experiences. So here are the different signal words when expressing personal opinion. In my opinion, as far as I'm concerned, I believe that I'd like to point out that. So here are the example sentences using signal words that people use when expressing personal opinions. So the next type of opinion marking signal is expressing general opinion. So this means saying what most people think or believe about something. It is not just your own idea, but a common belief shared by many. So here are the signal words used when people express a general opinion. Some people say that, it is generally accepted that, many people say that. So as you can see in your screen, these are the example sentence showing how people use these signal words when expressing a general opinion. So the last type of opinion marking signal is responding to an opinion. So when you respond to someone's opinion, you can either agree or disagree. So here are the list signals would use when you agreeing with an opinion. Of course, you're right. Yes, I agree. That's a good point. That's true. I'd go along with that. Exactly. So as you can see in your screen, these are the example sentences that use signal words when people agree with an opinion. So, in the other hand, here are the list of signal words used when disagreeing with an opinion. I don't agree with you. I'm sorry to disagree with you. Yes, but do you think? I'm not so sure about that. That's not the same thing. So, as you can see in your screen, these are the example sentences showing how signal words are used when people disagree with an opinion. That's end our discussion for today, class. I hope you now have a clearer understanding of how to express your opinions using opinion marking signals and their different types. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to seeing you in our next learning session.